Hey guys, so if you want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. So I started with just any moisturizer and then Revlon Rose Glow Primer. Bloop. Mix that in. Boop, 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 boop. Sorry for the mess in the back, by the way. I went in with Flormar BB cream just to like hide the dark spots and just to have a base. Then I went in with the Retrograde palette. I dived into Momentum and I just put that all over the crease area, just like wind wiping motions, back and forth, back and forth. Then I stepped into the off balance and I just put that on top of where I put the momentum just to give it more dimension. And we're going to do a smoky purple look, so you just want like the undertone to be really light. So I'm just putting that on the other eye right now. Then I'm stepping into Libra, and this I'm actually going to put in the inner corner, windshield wipe motions that are, and it's going to be blending into the off balance. So it kind of looks like an ombre effect, but you really want to focus it in the inner corner of your eyes. I'm going back into off balance just to give more dimension to the outer V of my eye. Cute. Then I'm going in with the Stila Gypsy Liquid Metal. I love this stuff. It's a really great under primer, or if you just want to use it as the sparkle, I'm putting it in my inner corner to give it like a pop of color. And you can use any brush. I'm using like the Morphe really thin brush for this, and then I decided to just go in with the actual brush because mine is finishing. I'm going in with Cosmic in the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, and I'm just going on top and a little bit to the middle of where I put the gypsy. Ooh, foundation time. I'm putting the Maybelline, let me see the exact name. It's the Dream Nude Airfoam in shade Sun Beige, and I'm mixing that in with the Flormar BB cream that I was talking about earlier, just using a Morphe foundation brush from the Rose Gold collection and blending that all in. I know I'm going to look orange for a little bit, but it's just all part of the process in my eyes. Then I'm going in with my Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless Concealer in shade Light Medium, covering the pimples and the dark spots. Then I'm going in with the free sample I got from Benefit. It was a contour stick, but it kind of broke. I'm just using a normal flat brush to really get it because I'm too stubborn to throw it away because it's really good, so I'm just trying to make it work. Don't forget the nose contour. And then I'm just going to blend that in with my foundation brush. You can use anything more precise, to be honest, but sometimes like I don't like it to look so clear cut. I'm now going in with my powder, which is going to lighten up my face. It's the L'Oreal Bare Natural Soft Ivory 408 powder. So it really brightens up my face. And then I will be going in with my new favorite bronzer, the Dream Sun Maybelline in shade Bronze Soleil Ombre 03. Gotta spray the face with the Avene facial water spray. Love that stuff. And just, you could take any blending brush, blending sponge, and blend, blend, blend. Now I'm using my Lancome blush with my Wet n Wild blush brush in the shade Blush Subtil Rose Fresque. I don't know how to speak English. I'm going in with my Gleam kit from Anastasia, choosing the bronze shade and really getting in there. For this step, I would recommend using a liquid highlight and then a powder just to really like amp the face, if that's a word. And I'm just going in to do my eyebrows. Yes, I use powder, and I'm using the Jackie Aina ABH palette, the darkest brown, just to fill it in. Now I'm going in with Supermoon just to give myself a nice blinding brow highlight, and I will be filling in my eyebrows with the tinted Gimme Brow Benefit in shade 3 just to lock them in place. Okay, so basically all I did was just put a drugstore lip liner. It's a no-name one. I added some Quo 808 lashes, and I gelled my hair back with some cute clips. Now I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Lilac Impulse, and it's 975. This is a bit too purple with the eyes, so sorry, I just ran up the stairs. I'm just gonna top it with the Too Faced Melted Matte in Child Star. You know, I've been using this in every single video because it's just the perfect nude just to top off. And you could take like your hand and just cute. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.